Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, ngicela subscribe button. As in, I came across a video kaCindy Mkhathini and she was crying. Kahle kahle kuyabonisa guys ukuthi emhlabeni ziyabuya. We are all crying for some reasons, and I can see that in that video she's been advised ukuthi niyazini, just take it easy. If you wanna talk, but everything eventually it will pass. And indeed guys, we face a lot of challenges, but eventually things do fall into place. It's just a matter of time. So to whoever is going through some terrible day, hectic life thing, God will see through. So guys, please do comment below.
I don't even know what's Yo, I know. I won't ever I was crying big time. I know mfana ndikuphethe yo and kunzima ukuthi and I wish ngcono ukuthi at least awusebenzi namhlanje. Yabona namhlanje ngifuna manje mengiphuma la ngifuna ukuzama ukuthi ngehlise umoya so that even ngiphambi kwabantu ungalibeli ngikhala and stuff and go out and be out there and just try to be fine. But nje one thing mina ngifuna ukukuthena yona Cindy, uphelele uNkulunkulu ukuphelelisile. You are enough. Akukho kunye okushodayo. You enough. Akekho kunye.
I know doesn't make sure. The other one says that Marapunyani is not make sure. So guys, people are still issuing that Pulani. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, do me the honor and click the subscription button. Thank you.
But into etrick ngempilo inkinga zipheli but impilo incane. So ngasikhathi usalungisa inkinga nokuthi isikhathi ufeel ukuthi khona inkinga kumele ilunge empilweni yakho, but make sure ukuthi isikhathi nesikhathi usithola esincane, you enjoy yourself.